Good afternoon. I'm Allen Ingabire. I'm a student in the College of Health Sciences, and I'm going to present our study findings, which is the prevalence and the level of disability post-road traffic injuries in Rwanda. This study has been conducted in Rwanda. Uh, these are the collaborators with Prof. Tomosime, David, Prof. Jean-Baptiste, and the other collaborators from different hospitals. As the background of this study, long-term disability has been found to be a substantial morbidity for individuals who have been involved in road traffic injuries, and each year more than 50 millions are being injured in road traffic injuries. When you look at the outcome of these injuries is really contributing to morbidity and mortality of these victims. But also in the postal traffic injuries, they are associated with a lot of disability. This study, as I was saying, has been conducted in Rwanda. As methodology, we conducted this study in five referral hospitals from Kigali Teaching University Hospital, from Butare Teaching University Hospital, Rwanda Military Hospital, Ruhengeri Referral Hospital, and King Faisal Hospital. And we collected the data from 368 patients where the upper functional scale and lower functional extremity scale has been used. And also the WHO disability assessment scale has been used to uh, grade the level of disability this patient has had. And for this holders too, it is classified into five, where the 0 to 4% is no disability, and between 5 and 24% is the mild disability, and the moderate one is to 25 to 49%, and then 50% to 95% is a severe one, and when the patient is having a complete, it's from 96 to 100. Uh, we have done an analysis using ALA Studio, and we did some descriptive data, and also multinomial regression model has been used. We have considered the statistical significance, which is less than 0.005. The ethics has been obtained from the University of Rwanda, the College of Medicine and Health Sciences, but also has been obtained from each hospital where I have conducted our study. For the results, among these patients, we have found that 64% of them were recruited from GF Teaching University Hospital, and the mean age of our patient were 37.5, and the males were more predominant, almost three times than the females. And when you look at the classification using the with the hair or the socioeconomic class, the category 3 with the hair was the more predominant, and it was significantly associated with the injuries that we have had in this patient. And the most cause of these accidents were motorcycles in 61%. We have found also the lymphos stage for our patient, the mean was 30 days, and we found more than 37% of the participants were having, they didn't undergo any physiotherapy, even though has been prescribed. The prevalence of disability among all the participants was estimated at 35.8%, where we look at from the moderate to extreme disability. And at the time that we collected this data, 2 years after the injury, we have found that 36% of these participants were unable to return to their normal activities. So we have also looked at the domains, the disability level according to the orders, two domains, and the like is shown on this figure, we have found that the life activity was more affected and also participation in society. These are the more affected domains in our participants. So when using the multinomial regression, we have found that looking at this table, we have found that mainly the age group was contributing to the disability when it comes to patients who are above 50 years, but also